Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create an album in Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger application on your mobile devices. Now, in order to create an album in Messenger, make sure that you have a group chat on. If you don't have a group chat created, you won't be able to make an album on Messenger with an individual contact. So, open the group chat you wish to. Now, at the bottom left corner, you can see an icon of gallery. Tap on it. Now, from your gallery, tap on multiple pictures. I'm going to tap on pictures like this. Then you'll see the option of Add to at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now, you can also name your album according to your preferences. Then, tap on the option of Create Album. With that, you can see that you have been able to create an album on Messenger. You have your album's name on top as well. So now, your friends on group chat would be able to view this album as well. You can also tap on the option of Add to Album in order to add other multiple pictures here as well. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.